trying to help out Feeding America and Fox Valley Tech as far as getting loads from one place to another, one warehouse to another. So that's why they're bringing us in as a partnership here, so we can help them get the food to where it needs to, or possibly other products such as toilet paper, paper towels, napkins, anything like that that people might be needing right now. This has been a great experience for me because of the simple fact that I can actually get out there and do something that people need. Don't get me wrong, they need drivers as well, so I love teaching people how to drive a truck. But this is helping more than just drivers. This is helping everybody. So this has meant the world to me.
We only have 3 trucks that run out of our facility here, and so having those trucks freed up to collect more donations or go bring more food to our facility, it's freeing up dollars that now we can spend on buying more food and sourcing more food. Historically, what we see is we send out about 10,000 pounds a week on average here, and what we've seen with this influx is about 50,000 pounds a week of food that we've been sending out. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your partnership. Freeing up these resources for us has really expanded our capacity, and as we know, as people continue to lose their jobs right now, we're only going to see more need. And so when communities can come together and different organizations can collaborate, that's how we're going to be successful.
Just knowing that I'm doing even a small part to help out with the pandemic right now, it's amazing. And I can't even tell you how much it means to me that I'm able to help.